When I got up, the fucking Tokyo came there.
Chillin' mad hard in the 609. Beatbox and D-Palm's gonna lay it down like it's noontime. We wake up to get the bake up. D-Mills hitting 3 kids like it's his job. Corcoran end story, you ain't got shit, we are the real story. I don't give a shit, your chapter's over. BZ's gonna drop you down like you're out of our fucking town.
Yeah, house party. D-Palm's house party.
House party.
Oh, we got pong balls in the place to be.
Little whipping root beer. What's up?
Oh fuck, I just dropped the ball and everybody knows I got that crazy style and raw. And yeah, with D-Palms.
Yo.
As you can see, catch me in Jersey smoking on some palm tree, motherfucking, you know I got that rap. Got my damn winter hat and it's cold as fuck, that's a fact. Oh, I'm the beer pong champ, I don't fuck with them tramps. All these bitches on my dick, but I don't give them a chance.
I don't give them a chance, I only make videos that diss them. Lauren Dubs and Steph Werner, you can get to the back cause all you did was kiss them. You can kiss my black ass cause I don't give a motherfucking shit. I drink coke and I put a smile on like D-Mills and that's it.
That's it.
Hitting shots in the background. We got the palm going hard. We're the craziest kids in the 609. We work hard for it all. Whether it's marijuana, coke, or the beer pong, we don't care at all.
Yeah, cause you don't care. Soon as we step in, them hands in the air, motherfucker, you know I rock it on the beat like damn. I don't expect you bitches to fucking understand. You can catch me on my jock on the fucking webcam, and I just gon' yo, fuck going ham. I'ma go to Hodelli. Bitch, what you tell me? Yo, country grammar, you could call me Nelly, and I don't even know, and if I did, I still wouldn't, and I eat that bitch out good like some pudding, and I'm so good looking, and I didn't shave in days, and I'm crazy insane, been rapping for days. Pass the mic to the
D-Palm's killing. Beatbox don't know, neither does Joe Paterno. Raping them kids, not cool, man. You got many years on your rap, shit's whack. All I'm gonna say is Mac Carrier, you're whack. I'll eat your animal pack like animal crackers cause you're whack. I don't give a shit, you're nothing. We rep 609, Beatbox going to jail, but I'm still gonna keep it up cause it's my kale. My kale, I don't really care. Nothing rhymes with kale, so I'm just gonna hail. Throw it down like the weather. Changing constantly, I'm D-Palms and I don't give a fuck if you're nothing to me. I'll make a video and dish your ass, I don't care. Lauren Dubs, get the fuck back to Nutley once again. Once again, are you my friend? Welcome to the house party, sipping on Bacardi. Yeah, I'm so naughty. Just listen, man, I'm chilling with the crew, and you animal packs suck. I catch you at the zoo. Oh, damn, you're just not fucking fresh, and you're a fucking animal, cause you're looking like a pet, and I ain't got stress. You ain't fucking nothing, and I keep on running, motherfucker. Know my crew's stunting, and we beer pong and rapping all along with these crazy songs. I'm raw as fucking raw, bitch. Raw till it all, we throw it down like Mike Jordan. I don't give a shit, I put the 2 to the 3 to the 1 to the 4. I go in and out of order, but it don't make sense because I'm not, I don't know. I lost it, but Tristan's in the background. We ain't gonna get in trouble cause his dad's a cop. His dad's a cop. His dad's a cop. We bring the police and there's BZAC. Oh!
Fuck